This is going to be a reading for the sign of Libra for the next, let's take 7 to 10 days. Okay, so what is going on with you guys? So let's start. What is happening with Libra? Welcome back to the channel. I'm really sorry for doing it a bit late. Wasn't really feeling well. The usuals, I believe. So yeah. Okay, right now, many of you guys have finally, like you guys are finally like in your vibe now. Okay, like many of you guys are finally not feeling depleted or like exhausted. I believe you are fine now. Okay, well, some of you might be depleted. Okay, but with the Queen of Pentacles being the overall energy, I believe right now you guys are very focused on yourself. Okay, like with the Strength and the Queen of Pentacles, you have finally realized that this heartbreak or this pain pushed you towards self-love and focusing on yourself, focusing on your growth, focusing on your finances, focusing on your healing. See, a person who is healed is much more attractive than a person who is messed up, no matter how he looks. Okay, give me one more card. What are Libras going through, Spirit? What are Libras going through at this very time? With Four of Wands, you guys are much more stable now. Okay, I would say that at this time, you guys are not feeling the urgent need to like possibly reach out to your past or chase your person. Nothing like that. You're in your power, you're in your energy, and you're doing really well for yourself. It could be financially, emotionally, overall, very balanced. Okay. In terms of your person, what are they up to? In terms of the Libra soulmate, what are they up to? Okay. Your person with Eight of Cups isn't still willing to invest emotionally, still acting distant. Like in terms of how they're thinking about you, please. Okay. To be very honest, we have Four of Cups, which tells me that how thinking about you. I mean, you are still the most topmost, you know, option that they have. Okay, don't take me wrong here. Everyone has options, right? But you are this Ace of Cups for them, and they are these other options they've got. Okay, your person definitely has more than one option. That I'm very certain of. With Three of Wands, okay, in the this person could have reached out, but suddenly out of nowhere ghosted you all over again. Bottom card we have for you is Four of Swords. So yes, they took a break from you. In terms of how to think about you, yeah, like in terms of the relationship, in terms of how is the Libra person thinking about Libra in terms of relationship. Yeah, with Nine of Wands, this person is not completely in, not completely out. I do not know when this BS is going to stop, but yeah. So with Eight of Cups and Four of Cups, this person is emotionally distant, emotionally unavailable. When it comes to the relationship, they haven't given up, but they haven't given in either. Okay. So what's their mindset now, Spirit? What's their mindset and heart space, please? Okay. With the Tower card, many of them believe that this connection wasn't meant to be going full circle. They might have told you this, or they might have believed this, because sometimes when they have to put in so much effort, they are using the reasoning, or this like basically giving themselves excuses as to why they are not wanting to put in effort. Okay, the Tower card in the reverse, their mind space tells them that this should have been possibly a disaster. Okay, this could have been a disaster, and they are basically saving themselves from a disaster. The Tower in the reverse is a disaster that they are not wanting to face it. Okay, but their heart space, like what's their heart space telling them, Spirit? What's their heart space telling them? Drop the cards, just a minute. Okay, with the about the heart space with the Wheel of Fortune, they know that this cycle isn't over, that this is going to move forward, this is going to possibly come again. Okay, in terms of their feelings for you, how do they truly feel for you now? Like what do they truly feel for you, and what do they truly have for you? Right now with the Hermit card, this person has gone within. Like they are possibly trying to think too much. Okay, they are trying to think what they feel for you, how they feel for you, why they feel for you. They are bloody questioning everything. Okay, one more card. So what do they truly have for you? What do they truly have for you? Okay. To be honest, darling, this person is trying to not really open up about their feelings they've got for you. But deep down, they know that they have some strong shit for you. This person might still pretend to be coming off as a friend, like they've got no feelings and shit. Okay. Like one more card of like how are they possibly going to act around you? How are they possibly going to act around you if they come forward? Yeah, with King of Swords, this person might be lying to their like no, or like about their feelings. Like even if they've got the feelings, they are lying about it. Like they are not wanting to open up about it. With the High Priestess, they are hiding their true feelings, intentions towards you. Like what do they truly want with Libra now? What do they truly want with Libra? What do they truly want with Libra? With the Fool card, in the past, I believe with the Ace of Wands in the reverse, this person definitely felt like this wasn't gonna go anywhere. So they could have possibly taken a break, and this break led to a break up. Okay, and I believe that right now, what they want with you is they want to try one more time, but they might want another. Like how do I put it? They definitely want to try, but they do not want to get themselves too attached to it. Okay, with Three of Pentacles, they are definitely like open for partnership, but they're definitely not completely promising about the commitment part. Okay, like no strings attached, but if it works, they go forward, but if it doesn't work, they go away, like that. Okay, one more card. Like what's their heart space regarding this connection? What's their heart space regarding this connection? Okay. With Three of Wands, this person is definitely at a distance from you. They are nowhere near you. Even if they stay in the same city, this person is definitely maintaining a distance from you. Okay. In the past, they were possibly resisting you. Now it's like they want you, but they are not completely giving in as well. Okay. Even this person comes forward, I do not really see them doing much. Okay. Like one card for like what do they truly want to offer you now? What do they truly want to offer you now? With Queen of Cups, what they truly want to offer you, they do want to have an emotional relationship with you, or they want to open up about their emotions. They want to do it. I'm not saying they will do it. Okay. In terms of intentions, like how are they wanting to act on this now? How are they wanting to act on this? Okay. So, darling, don't get me wrong. There could be a false start, or they possibly could give you a false start to know, like what you're up to. Okay, like they could come back to you and tell you that they want to restart this, but at the same time, they might not intend to restart this. Like it's going to be a false start where they want to possibly feel how it's going to possibly, how do I put it? Like they are wanting to experiment another shot with you. Like they are wanting to see if things would work with you, so they would come forward with a false offer, like let's start this all over again. But they'll come. They'll come back with a very like up and down mind, as in they won't know exactly where they are going with this. But they'll tell you that they want this, or they'll come off like very genuine and all, but they have doubts, darling. They have lots of doubts. Okay, in terms of what action are they going to take towards you? In terms of what action are they going to take towards you? Yeah, definitely they're coming in again. With Knight of Wands, Knight of Wands is a card which doesn't give you any promises as such, but they will want to like make a move towards you. Okay. With Four of Pentacles, they are wanting to hold on to you, but I believe in the second week of Fab, this person will be much more available than they have been in the first week. Okay. One more card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now for Libra and their soulmate. Okay. For many of you, this person who's been resisting you, ignoring you, stalking you is finally returning back. Okay, there's definitely going to be some sort of communication. This person is definitely going to come back. They are also going to use the sweet words and shit. So I mean, so that you hear them out. Okay, but they'll definitely not open up completely. But they'll at least want to like act all sweet and. Like like a very loving person, because they want you to take them seriously, like because they want you to possibly even stay open to them. Okay, right now what's the Libra space regarding their person? Right now what's the Libra space regarding their person? Okay, right now you are possibly healing from them. Okay, I believe this person has done a lot of damage to you, so you are not sure as to what you want with them, but majorly you're going to use this time of separation to possibly heal and fix yourself. Okay, like one card, you may also want this person to answer to many of your questions, like what they've been doing, who they've been doing, or what they've been up to. Okay, so what can my dear Libras possibly expect from this person now? What can my dear Libras possibly expect from their person now? Okay, to be very honest, this person does want to heal the connection, but I still feel like there are going to be certain amount of delays, because this connection that you are in is very much intense, so it's going to take in a lot of time before you can completely open your heart to this person, or keep your heart open to this person, because of the past history that you guys have had. Okay, so with Seven of Pentacles and Temperance in the reverse, it's going to take some time. So I do not think the first week of Fab is going to be good for you. The second week, however, is going to is going to start improving. For now, what are the blockages, Spirit? For now, what are the blockages that Libra and their person have currently? Okay, the major blockage is that we have the Empress and Nine of Pentacles. It's it's that one of you is focused on their financial stability, and possibly like wanting to be successful, wanting to have a name for themselves, wanting to grow in terms of personal growth, financial growth, in terms of their career as well. They want to get to very stable, like super successful kind of a situation where they want to have a name for themselves, and that is very much getting in the way here. It could be you or them, but I see that being the blockage. If it's not you, it's them. If it's not them, it's you. Okay, so yeah, so one card for what do they majorly want with you now? What do they majorly want with you now? They want you to possibly help them with this overthinking that they are doing, and they are messed up, and they do not know what they can possibly stay open to, or what they can look forward to. They are basically feeling stuck to you. Okay, they cannot free themselves from you, no matter how many practical reasons they give themselves. They cannot free themselves from you. Okay, and that's bothering them. With Four of Pentacles, they are still holding on to you, no matter what is happening in their life, or no matter who they are entertaining. I still feel they are very much stuck on you, even though this might seem very much unhealthy. That is a statement I'd want to hold on to. Okay, so yeah, in terms of one kind of advice for my dear Libras, what should they be doing? Right now, with Five of Pentacles, do not give them attention. Okay, if this person wants to make a move, let them make a very solid move towards you. Let this person not love bomb you, and when I mean love bomb, I mean that sometimes people can pretend to love you so that you can stay open to them, and then they fuck shit up again. So I do not want this person to love bomb you or to gaslight you in any which way. Okay, I want you to possibly stay in your power, be in your power, know what you are worth, know what you can offer, and let this person do all the effort while you just hold back, relax, and let things go forward. Okay, so this is what I have for you. There's also a Libra extended that's for the next 15 days. It's for people who have a person. It's not for singles. Okay, it's for it's for you who if you have someone in mind, or if you have had a connection for the past 3 months, It doesn't have to be a relationship. If you could also have a person, like you've had a steady situationship going on, regardless of if commitment or not, that's going to like possibly resonate with you. Okay, it's up for $5. It's up on my Etsy shop. You can go and buy there. It's a digital download, so it's the link is like directly going to come to you, and you could tap it and watch the video. Okay, it's for Libra Extended, $5. And all those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, please go to my website, book one for yourself, like whichever fits right for you. All those who are on WhatsApp could come and reach out on my WhatsApp and let me know if your situation is too messed up. We could like I could possibly suggest you like which reading would possibly fit best for you. So yeah, thank you so much, and please follow me on my Instagram handles, Libra Vibes only if you're a Libra, Divine Soul Guidance if you need some small guidance day to day. So yeah, thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.